Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. I know it's only Tuesday, but I wanted to show you some of the finds from the weekend. I went through a couple boxes of pennies. Actually, I went through one box. This is another I'm going through. But I also wanted to show you some of my silver pickups. Got some great deals. I bought some more Canadian dollars, so I'm going to go ahead and show those to you. I have these in the flips. These are non-PVC. So this is a 65 Canada dollar. And by the way, all of these I picked up at 50 cents over melt, so about $19 a piece. Okay, and they're in brilliant uncirculated condition. So that's what the reverse looks like on these things. They're called a Voyager Canada silver dollar. They're 80% silver. The actual silver weight on these is 0.6 of an ounce. So I bought them at the right price. Okay, you get the older ones before 1960, they're going to command what they call numismatic value, which is above and beyond the silver melt value. Okay, so these are my collector pieces. That's the obverse. It's got Queen Elizabeth. This is a little bit of her more older look on here. The other ones I'm going to show you are older. They're going to have a younger profile of her, and this is the more mature profile. It's a really pretty coin. Alright, so that's a 65. Here is a 63. Very proof-like, beautiful finish. Okay, believe it or not, that's how they come out of the mint. A lot of them are going to look like this. It's got the canoe with the two guys on it. I think they're Native American Indians on there. And then the tree in the background with the snow. And the Northern Lights. Okay, so that's what the 63 looks like. And then that's the more younger portrait of Queen Elizabeth on there. You know, I think it's a beautiful design all around, but people have criticized this design because, you know, not only does Canadian coinage have those, but, you know, Britain, Australia, everybody's using it. Here's a 62, just as beautiful. I picked these up right for the right type of money. They're just gorgeous. This one's got a nice cameo on it. Alright, proof-like finish. The cameo is the raised devices on there. Kind of have a frosted look on it. And they're very highly priced among collectors of this series. Because some of them, just, you know, they have the proof devices on there as opposed to the frosted cameo. Here's a really pretty one. It's a 59, you know, just as in good a shape as the others I've shown you. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to focus as best I can. I have a hard time with this camera. It's a little bit older. Okay, and there's the reverse. They switched over to the mature head in 1965, I believe. Okay, so all the ones previous to that is this design. And then the last one I'll show you, this is actually a duplicate of a coin I already have. It's a 58. This is a commemorative British Columbia celebration. Some sort of centennial. Okay, it's got a design of a totem pole on the back, on the reverse. Very pretty coin. Very beautiful design. It's very bold too. And then the reverse looks like much like the others. Okay, so I wanted to show you those. I picked those up. Okay, I went through one box of pennies, $25. This is all the copper I came out of it. It's a nice haul. Generally, I average 20% out of these. So this right here, you're looking at about $5. I'm going to roll these up later on this evening and then put them with my other copper cents. These are all the weeds I got. Okay, adds up to what, 16? Earliest date I got is 1918, and it was in rough shape. The date was barely readable. I think it's this guy right here. Yeah, it's got a bunch of crud on it. Okay, but on the other side of the spectrum, right here, and I won't be able to get in close to show you the date. This is a 57D. My gosh, what a pretty coin for coming out of something like this. You know, I don't see these that often. If I had to venture a guess, maybe one out of $250 worth of cents. Get a load of that. The details won't come up very good on this, but this was found in there. So I got this probably 15 minutes before this video, and I got them customer wrapped, which is what these are. But they, there's a couple different wrapper types. There are these ones, you buy these at like Walmart, Target. They got the open end, and then you crimp the other end. Okay, and then you have the bank wrappers that you see here, and then one other one, which is these, the Wrapcos. I forgot where you could buy these. I think you could buy them at the dollar store or something like that. So the one thing that got me a little worried is, okay, someone customer wrapped these. This might be someone's dump change, which means it's all zinc cents. There's going to be no copper. I go through and pull out the copper. Okay, I don't really do anything with it. I just sit on it, but it's a great investment because every cent's worth over 2 cents a piece as far as the actual intrinsic value of the metal, which is the copper. Okay, so I thought this was someone's dump change, so I went through and did a little spot check. So I went through one roll to make sure that it's either going to have some copper or it's all zinc. And sure enough, it's someone's change that they're bringing in to buy Christmas presents this year. So there is copper in there. If it's anything worthwhile, I'll go ahead and shoot another video, but there we have it. And the great thing about not so much but obtaining customer wrap rolls is you could reuse the wrappers. And what you do is you go through one roll, and then this right here in this box, this is all my zinc. So I'll just backfill into this roll. However many coppers I pulled out, I go ahead and put in the zinc, seal it up, and then be done with it and take it back to the bank. And I'll do that tomorrow. But anyways, that was my take for the week. I'm waiting for my next case of half dollars. I've had so much success on the last couple of them that I want to get it, but there's been a delay with the holidays and so on and so forth. Go ahead and roll search right now. There's a lot of people cashing in change, okay, and there's going to be a lot of silver, a lot of copper. People are changing up just about anything, so they're going to give up some rare stuff that they don't know they have in lieu of getting paper money. So that's what I have, and have a nice holiday. I'll talk to you guys soon.